Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your Spotify listening history. So here I've already opened these Spotify apps on my mobile phone, and to if you want to see what songs you are currently listening or maybe listening in the past, you can just follow this step. So first, after you open your Spotify app, you can just click on your name at the top left corner. So this is the initial ad, so click on that, and after that here there will be this listening history that you can click. So when you click on that, you can see the recently played songs. In here you can see, you can scroll down to see all of the listings history up to uh 3 or maybe a couple weeks ago. So here you can see the song. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.